At Infinity from Marvin, we believe your window and door replacement experience should be worry-free. That's why every step of having your windows replaced with Infinity is designed to be as simple as possible. An Infinity expert will meet with you at your home or in their showroom to answer your questions and provide a custom solution.
A lot of people in the industry are more high-pressured, where they're wanting to get the job done, but we're just wanting to make sure that we do a good job for the customer and that we're achieving the project that they wanted to complete.
I love the experience that we had because there was no pressure. We really wanted information, and we wanted to be able to digest that information and make a decision. This is a very big investment, and we wanted to make sure we were making the right investment, and we definitely did.
After the consultation, a measure technician will verify your installation needs and precise measurements before your custom order is placed.
They're measuring for the custom size, right down to the fraction of an inch for each window.
On installation day, the team takes care of everything.
We take care of a homeowner's home like we were taking care of our own homes.
From your furniture to your floors, everything will be protected as your old windows are removed and your new Infinity windows are installed.
They didn't cut any corners, and when it was done, it exceeded my expectations.
Infinity goes above and beyond with our limited lifetime warranty and unmatched customer experience to make sure your new windows and doors withstand the test of time.
The way the window is engineered, it holds together, it performs, and it still looks beautiful the longer that it's on a home. Those windows really are built for life.